Hello everyone, I am Niveda Muralidharan here, and in this video I am going to give a brief overview of Amazon seller tool, which is AMZ India Profit. If you are watching my video for the first time in my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. So this is an Amazon seller tool where you can track your competitor keywords and how your products are ranking for the keywords that you have mentioned, and also you can generate keywords based on this tool. And not only that, there is two important features on this tool. One is hijacker alert and another is negative review alert. In hijacker alert, you can get an alert when someone is mapping your products, and in negative review alert, you will get an email when someone has left you a negative product review. I'll explain all these features one by one, and make sure that you check this video till the end because I have a special offer for this tool. And this tool currently offers 10 days free trial, and there are 5 different pricing in this tool. So at the end of the video, I'll be sharing you a special coupon code that you can use it for this tool. So you have 5 packages, which is bronze, silver, gold, platinum and diamond. So right now I have taken this diamond trial package. The reason is that I run an agency, so I have taken this particular package. And in case you are a new seller, so just check out the initial plan and check this tool features in the trial version, and then you can upgrade your packages. So definitely I believe that this tool is a must for all the Amazon sellers. So let's go into the video. So this is the backend panel of AMZ India Profit, and you will be allotted with credits here. So each and every time you do a search, you do some work, credits will be decreased here. So there are different tools here. Let's go one by one. The first tool that I'll explain is AMZ Research tool, which is a Google Chrome extension that you can simply add it to your Chrome, and you will have an extension like this. So I'll show you what this tool is really helpful. So I have gone to this Amazon.in page. See, consider that whenever you want to purchase a particular product, you will go to Amazon.in, search for the product. The term that you are searching is called as keyword or seed keyword. So consider that I am planning to purchase a sanitizer. I'll type here sanitizer and click on enter. This sanitizer is called as a seed keyword. And if you're an Amazon seller, you should be knowing the word sponsored, and these are ad products. It is sponsored ad products. Okay, and these are organic results. And if I just click on this particular plugin, I can scrap all these organic results in an Excel sheet. See, this is the first product here, Lifebuoy alcohol based hand sanitizer. This is second product, third and fourth. Here you can get the brand name, their pricing, their rank, review rating, and whether it is an FBA product or non-FBA product. This is the result of the first page here. Please ignore all these spacings. I think it is due to some error. If I just click on next page, all the data from the second page also will be scrapped. Not only that, you can just click on export to CSV and download it as an Excel file and use it offline. By this way, you can analyze your competitor and you can check out how you and your competitors are ranking for a particular keyword. Do check out this free extension. It is completely free. Now let me go to the other tools here. The next important tool is Keyword Idea Generator. I have already put a separate video of how to update keywords on Amazon. I have mentioned that particular link in the description, so you can just check it out. You can add keywords in single or bulk. I have used before keywordtool.io, and I also suggest you to use keyword.io. Both these tools are really wonderful, and also you can just check out this particular tool. Here I have already searched for a keyword water bottle. Okay. And I have got the search results here. So once I get the search result here, you can just simply click on copy to keyword list, and the results will be copied in this right hand side, and you can download this as your Excel sheet also. Okay. Sorry, you have to search for a word and you have to select this. So I missed to select this. So you can select this one and you can click on copy to keyword list. And once you click on copy to keyword list, all these keywords should be shown here. Okay, in some time it will be shown here. And once it is done, you can download your keyword list. Okay, I think it is copying. And here you have an option called rank. Rank is nothing but how much the products are searched. If the rank is 1, this particular keyword is searched the most. If the rank is 8 or 10, it means it is searched the less. You can even sort it using rank and copy these keywords and download it in an Excel sheet, and you can remove the duplicates and then upload it on Amazon. So make sure that you are checking out my previous video that is in the description. So this will guide you in adding keywords to Amazon. So this is about keyword idea generator. The next super tool, I really love this tool, is listing builder tool. So if I click on this listing builder tool, I can create my own listings. So just a minute, I'll just click on clear all. Now consider that I have generated a few keywords for the term water bottle. So why we are generating keywords means these keywords should either occur in the title or in the description or in the backend search term. So only then you can rank your products. So you can download any number of keywords and you can paste all the keywords here and you can frame the listings here. For example, consider that I am planning to sell face wash, okay? And for face wash, you can generate all the keywords here and download it in an Excel sheet and paste it here. So right now I'm just directly typing the top keywords for face wash. So whenever you are selling face wash, definitely the title, description or the keyword should have these words like face wash and face wash for acne, face wash for pimples, unisex face wash. So you will get all these search results from this keyword idea generator, okay, and these should be included in my product title, description or in the backend search term or in the bullet points. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to naming my product. Consider it is a face wash. The basic title formation in Amazon is that it should start with your brand name. So I'm just entering my brand name Nugen, and you have to mention the type, the model of the face wash. Consider that it is a lemon face wash. So I'll mention it as lemon face wash. Okay. Then I have to mention whether it is for men or women. So I'm just mentioning for men and women. Okay. So and any other features like gram, etc. So I'm just mentioning here 100 ml. Or other features can be mentioned here. So I'm just keeping this particular thing title. So before that, I'll show you here. I'll remove this. Just check out this unused search terms here. I will remove this face wash. Okay. So once I remove it, automatically this particular keyword will come in unused search terms. So what is this box means? It is taking all the keywords from the keywords that we have entered. Okay. Face wash, acne, pimples, unisex. These are unique keywords from this particular list I have entered, and these keywords, it should be either in my title, description, bullet points or in the search terms to rank my product. So as soon as I enter face wash in my title, this face wash is removed, meaning that I have to enter acne, pimples, unisex either in my description or bullet points. So consider the description. I am just mentioning this product helps in removal of pimples. Okay, and definitely description should not be so small, it should be really big. For dummy purpose, I am entering a small description. As soon as I enter the word pimples here, it is removed from unused search term. Now in the bullet points, I am just mentioning lemon face wash. Again, bullet points should be very clear. Just for dummy purpose, I am entering small bullet points. Okay. And I am entering here test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. Okay. So now consider that I have entered all the details and there are some unused search terms here. You can just simply click on to add to search terms, and this particular keyword will be added in the search terms. So your keyword should either occur in the title, description, keywords or in the bullet points, and by this way you can start building your listings. And not only that, you can create and you can save it. So you can just click on new and you can create a listing and you can save the particular listing. So if I just click on show saved listings, Okay, this was some other listing that I already created, which is waterfall listing. So like this way you can create a listing and you can save it. So consider that you feel that this is a very big process. You can also simply import it from Amazon. But make sure that you are not copying your competitor title, bullet points and just putting it on Amazon. You are not authorized to do it. Just for sample purpose, I'll be showing you. Consider I'm just clicking on this Lifebuoy hand wash. I'm copying the ASIN here from the link. In case you feel it difficult to find the ASIN, you can come here and press Ctrl F and search for ASIN. Copy this particular ASIN, paste it here, click on import. Once you click on import, all the details of this particular product will be imported here. Like this is the title and this is the description. Okay, and this is the search terms cannot be copied just like that because it is highly confidential. It cannot be searched, and bullet points, everything is copied here. So search terms, you can just work on the keyword idea generator, use the duplicate tool and you can add the search term here. Okay, so this is the way that you can create a listing. So why we are doing like this means whenever your keywords is occurring on your title, description or in the other places, you have a good probability of ranking. So once you rank it, you will have the better sales and you will get bestseller rank also. So this is the idea of listing builder. Now next I'll go to the reverse ASIN, okay, which is another very interesting tool. So I was allotted with 5 reverse ASIN searches. Okay, I've already used 2. So I'll show you what this tool will be doing and you will be really excited to see this. I'm copying one of my competitor ASIN and I'm pasting this particular ASIN here and click on find competitor keywords. So once I click on it, you will be seeing what the competitor have entered the keywords and how much it is ranking. Okay. Okay. So for this particular ASIN, there is no keywords found. I have got the result like no keywords found because there may be many reasons like this product is added in the recent days or it is not available for sales and all. So what I'll do, I'll go to another ASIN and I'll enter it. So I'm just searching for lemon face wash. Okay. So I believe that this ASIN is a very old ASIN. Let me copy this particular ASIN here. Okay. Paste it here. Click on find competitor keywords. And let's see how this particular ASIN is ranking for the keywords and all. Great. We got the result. See, this is the ASIN and this ASIN is ranking for this particular keyword Garnier face wash men and the search volume is 88,840, which is a really very good search volume. And if I click on this AIP score, it means the popularity of this keywords. So higher the score, higher the popularity. So for this particular keyword, this product is really ranking good. So if I go and search for Garnier face wash men, okay, yeah, this particular product is ranking. Okay. And if you just consider the product listing builder, Garnier is already available, okay, and face wash is available, and men should be somewhere in the product title, description. Just a minute. Okay, so it should be in the backend keyword. This particular word, right, men, it should be in the backend keyword. So they have used this Garnier face wash men in the backend keyword, and this Garnier face wash is already available in this title also. Okay, so just a minute. Yeah, so next is Garnier face wash. Even for this keyword, they are ranking in the first page. They should be ranking in the first page, and whenever the score is 5, it means these particular have a very good search volume and they have a very good rank. Okay, and for Garnier cream and all, they are having 4 ranking, so that means a lesser rank. And you can definitely export this keywords also, or you can copy these keywords and make use of these keywords in your listing builder, or you can simply add it in your search term. So I can just click on copy keywords. I can go to the listing builder here, click on edit and enter all these. Okay, and you can just figure out all the unused keywords and you can simply add it to the unused backend keywords. So in case your character is higher, you can remove the unnecessary words. Okay. So if I just come on here phrases, you can just check out how much time the phrase is actually used. Okay, and the keywords, face is used for 66 times, Garnier is used for 41 times, etc. Okay, so by this way you can utilize the reverse ASIN and the listing builder and also keyword idea generator. So with these three tools you can simply build a listing with all the search term that is required. Also you can analyze your competitor keywords and include that in your listing also. So I hope that you would be excited to know this, because a very simple tool that does the work for you. Okay, and next I'll go to this product tracker. So very simple, product tracker helps you in tracking the listings. So generally you can track your own listing. For example, consider that this is my listing, okay, prestige listing. I have added 5 keywords, okay. I have asked this particular tool to track 5 keywords. So I am just clicking on this particular listing here and I am just clicking on keyword ranking. So I have just mentioned 5 keywords myself, saying that pressure cooker, steel cooker, Italy cooker and all. And here this particular page is ranking in the position of the, what is the page number? It is in the 10th page or it is in less than 10, etc. It is showing. And the rank of the product, etc. is shown. In case I click on show graph, it will show me that for this particular keywords how I am ranking. Okay. So let me start from the beginning. So once you click on product tracker, you have to add a particular product. Okay. So consider that, I just want to track this particular product. Okay, let it be my product or competitor. So mostly use product tracker for yourself. So you can enter your own ASIN, click on save changes. Okay, so as soon as I add an ASIN, it will take some time for the details to populate here. So here I can click on add keywords. So click on add keywords and I can just mention here as lemon face wash. Consider that I have included all these keywords in my search term. Lemon face wash, Garnier face wash, face wash for men, Garnier face wash for men. Consider that all these keywords I have added in the backend. Daily I can rank this, I can check this tool to analyze my rank of the keywords. Not only that, you will be getting an email for this particular keywords. Okay. So this is the product. I have added 4 keywords here, and the ranking for this product, bestseller ranking for the product is 238 and the rating is 4.3 and there are 1064 reviews and there is one seller selling it, and right now the buy box seller is Cloudtail India. And once I click on this product and once I click on keyword rankings, okay, it is actually working here. So this particular keyword, right, for the keyword face wash for men, this product is ranking in the first page. So let's check it out. Face wash for men. So once I click on it, so yeah, it is ranking here. And it is like approximately 38th position. Okay, so I think this cannot be accurate. This will not be accurate. Okay, an approximate value. So for this particular keyword, this particular product is ranking on the first page and there are totally this much results. Okay, by this way you can track your product. And what is the benefit of this? Consider that I am working on this particular product. Consider that this is my product. I check out my ranking of this particular product. And here you have the, just a minute, I'll go to the old product so that I can show it very easily. Okay, this is one product here. And if I click on keyword rankings, this is a basmati rice. And for basmati rice, biryani rice, I am ranking for pages less than 10. Okay, once I click on show graph, it will show me this keyword ranking in the past few days. Okay. So I guess this also I added very recently. I'll go to some other product here. Okay. And click on keyword rankings and click on show graph. Okay. Since it is less than 10, the graph is not showing and this is in the first page. I'll click on show graph. Yeah. So the rank, this page is less than 10, right? So now the rank is actually showing. So what is the keyword rank? So rank was 35th on 4th June. On 5th June, it is 24. So like this, you can analyze the keyword rank. Okay, this is the rank of the product. In case your rank of the product is lesser, it means that you are ranking at the first page. Okay, so this is the way that you can track your product keywords. Not only that, you will be getting an email also, and you can add any number of keywords you want, and also you can export the keywords. So each and every day you can come to this particular tracker and you can click on your particular product here, and you can just check out the overview of your ratings, overview of the price, and how is the sales rank. So this particular product sales rank actually increased from yesterday to today. So this video is recorded on 9th June. Okay, and 8th June it was less, and now it is on a higher thing. And keyword ranking also you can just check it out. And there is something called listing analyzer. Either you can click on listing analyzer here, okay, or just click on this product listing analyzer. Both will do the same job here. In the listing analyzer, you can just check out whether this product is having a proper title, description, bullet point, etc. I'll just click on this particular column because this is very user friendly. So in this particular product, the title, the description, the bullet points, images, everything is right. So what is wrong here? Let's go and check it out. If the title character is 50 to 200, the recommended thing, it will be in green color. If the description is 600 plus, it will be in green color. So in images, generally it is preferred to have 6 plus to get the buy box. This particular product has only 5 images, so it is marked in red. And this particular rating is also 3 plus. So whenever you have 3 plus, this particular is marked as green. And the review count is, whenever it is 5 plus, it will be in green. So like this, you can analyze your product listing also. Okay. So once you add a product in product tracker, automatically it will come into the product listing, and you can analyze your listing also. And in the product tracker, okay, so I'm just coming here and clicking on the title, and once I click on the on page SEO, this will show the most repeated word in the product listing page. This will not include the search term that you are including in the backend. Okay, so this Garnier word is repeated 5 times in the product listing page. I'm going here, I'm typing, okay, I cannot check out here like this because it will show all these sponsored products also. Apart from that, in the product listing page, 5 times Garnier word is repeated, and woman word is repeated twice, and all these words are repeated so much time. So by this way you can analyze what is most repeated and what is less repeated. Okay, and one more thing I just want to show in this product tracker. So here I can add or update tags for this particular product. So once I click on it, you can group a particular product. For example, I can tag this to women clothing, and I can click on save changes. So that means this particular tag is women's clothing, and the second one is for hijacker alert. If I just enable this one, and if someone is mapping my product, I will get an email to my email ID, to my registered email ID of this panel. So here I am not enabled hijacker tracker. Once I click on it, and if someone is mapping this particular product, automatically I will get an email stating that so and so seller has mapped this particular product. Okay, so this is a really an important feature. Many would be looking for this, and in case your brand is registered on Amazon, and in case you are not able to monitor your listings, you can simply add all your products here, and you can just check out your email for hijacker alert. And next is that this is for negative review alert. In case any customer is leaving you a negative review on your product, you will, once this is enabled, you will get an email. Okay, and this is for product variation, so we can ignore it. So consider that I just want to on the negative review for this product. I can simply click on this, and I would get an email as soon as a customer is leaving a negative review on my product. And not only that, you have a separate panel called negative review tracker. You can just click on it, and I can simply filter using the product. So I'll just select this prestige product, and I'll click on search. I'll get all the ratings of this particular product. Consider I want to see only the critical ratings, that is 1 to 3, and if I click on search, I will get all the critical ratings of the product. So this is the way that you can use this particular tool. Okay, and this tool has lot of features, and not only that, whenever you are visiting any tool here, there is one button called how it works, and there is already a pre-recorded video of how this tool actually works. So because I have just given you an overview only, you can just click on this particular thing and a video pop-up will open, and you can just simply check out the features of this tool. So this is the way that you can use. And as mentioned in the beginning of the video, there is a special offer for you guys. So to upgrade this particular plan from trial to paid version, you have to just click on your particular name here and click on billing. So once you click on it, you will have an option to upgrade or renew plan. So once you click on it, there will be an option to apply coupon. So here you can apply the coupon Niveda 50. Okay. So once you click on apply coupon, you will get flat 50% off on your first month's package. So whatever be the package. Okay. So it was actually 1000 per month. So it will be 500. And if it is 10,000 per month, it will be 5,000 per month. So just flat 50% off. Okay. And no hidden thing, nothing like that. So it will be 5,000 per month plus 18% GST. So once I click on renew, with GST you will be paying the amount. So make use of this particular coupon code and grab the offer, and note that this is for a short term only. This is for a short term promotion. So make sure that you are clicking on the link below the description. First, register yourself as a user on this AMS in India Profit and activate your free trial. Once it is done, just to go and upgrade your package. So this is the way that you can get this AMS in India Profit at 50% discount. And in case you have any queries, please feel free to comment it below and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching the video.